Hi, I'm Neil Harrington at 24Vend, and this is the first of our YouTube channel videos aimed at helping you, the vending professional, understand some of the jargon, complexity of technology and legislation that exists in our industry today. We're going to be talking about LED lighting today and why and if it's important, and most importantly, what's in it for you. Let's talk firstly about pricing. In the last few years, the price of LEDs has come down so that now most manufacturers are either fitting them as standard or as an option. And that's all very well for if you're buying a lot of new machines, but what about your existing field base? You can, of course, upgrade. There are a few companies, as you may expect, making retrofit kits, but as you also may know, some are better than others, and lighting is definitely an industry where you tend to get what you pay for. So make sure what you're fitting is easy to fit and the warranty that you're being offered is real. Because in a fast-moving area like LED lighting, companies can appear and disappear within a couple of years, and you need to make sure you get the proper support and continuity of supply for the product that you're buying. Let's talk a bit about the savings that are possible. For you to get your money back on the investment you've made in swapping fluorescents for LEDs, they need to be reliable, because it's all about reliability here and savings you may make on service calls. We're talking about potentially 5 years between service calls for lighting if you do it right. If they don't last that long, you won't get the maximum return on your investment. I hear you say, aren't they all the same? No, they're not. LEDs are manufactured all over the world, so which are the best and what's the difference? All are not created equal here. There's a huge difference in the professionalism of the companies you buy from, the continuity of supply, colour temperature of the devices, reliability, and of course brightness and price vary a lot as well. So I'd just like to do a quick demonstration for you using a packet of Mr. Sketch pens and some different colour temperature LEDs. First of all, lighting it at 6500 Kelvin and then flipping quickly to a 2700 Kelvin. You can see, I hope, the difference in colours, particularly the reds and the blues, is completely different depending on the colour temperature that you choose to light your products with. Now, the major manufacturers have produced some great quality components, but many operators have been disappointed because they bought the cheapest units, which have had a blue tinge. And this is great and impactful initially, but it can be quite tiring on the eyes, and it never shows the products in their correct colour temperature. And this is really important if you're doing any work with the major brands. Let's talk a little bit about legislation and how that's affecting you. EU legislation is now banning some fluorescent tubes of the older types, and it's likely we'll see this trend continue over the coming years. If you want to know more about LED lighting, how it's progressing and what it can mean for your business, why don't you give us a call or contact us on our mail address found at www.24vend.com. And stay tuned to this YouTube channel for more short videos on the vending industry. Thanks for watching.